are in beautiful Edgemont Village, North Vancouver at our latest and greatest custom home build. We are waiting with bated breath to get building permits from our beloved friends at the District of North Van. So, we've only been waiting since November of last year, and it's now October of this year. Sure would be nice to get that building permit so we can get started and get this project underway. So we have got an existing home that's going to come down. We will repurpose and recycle what we can from there. Otherwise, this property is going to get completely flattened, and there will be a garage in the back on the right here. Beautiful two-story above ground, full basement. Driveway is going to continue going up here. This is going to have some beautiful landscaping. This house is going to be very, very much in keeping with what I think is the Edgemont vibe in terms of craftsman and elegant. And I'm really looking forward to bringing this one to light. We've got a phenomenal project management team on this one. We've got a great client with lots of wonderful ideas. We're working with phenomenal architects on this project. Living Radius Architecture, Kelly and Brian are fantastic, phenomenally wonderful humans, and they have come up with a fantastic project for us here. So stay tuned, ask your questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.